In our last video, we have described the motion of an object on a straight path. Every motion is associated with three terms: position, velocity and acceleration. Clearly a motion can be uniform or non-uniform. Let us now see what happens when we hit a ball on ground moved and stop. When you push or pull a box by exerting a force, moved and stop. Here when we pull string of a bow. But the question arises here, what is that causes the motion? Why does the body move or then stops? Why does the speed change with time? So we can say a body can't be in motion without a cause. What in fact is the cause? Galileo and Newton applied an entirely different approach to understand motion. In our daily life, we observe that some effort is required to put a stationary object into motion or to stop a moving object. We can call this effort as push or pull, a force. Force cannot be seen, but its effect can be felt. This force have the following properties. First, change the magnitude of velocity. Second, change its direction of motion. Third, force can change the shape and size of objects. Here in the diagram, a book is placed on the table. Two forces acting on the book are vertically downward, or its reaction acting in vertically upward direction. Book is at rest because of these two equal and opposite forces. These forces are called balancing forces. We have one more example of a seesaw game, which is also under balancing forces. Let us again take the previous example, where in addition, we apply two more equal and opposite horizontal forces acting on the book, but we see the book is at rest. No motion. But when we apply some extra force, on either side of book happen to be in motion, in the direction of force applied. This is due to unbalanced force. Here in seesaw game what we see is seesaw is not balanced. It is all set to move up or down. The case of an unbalanced force. Here is one more example of balance or unbalanced force. In the following diagram, forces acting on the body are shown. Answer if the forces shown are balanced or unbalanced. Find also the amount of force by which the body will move. Forces acting are not same, therefore body will move forward by 10 minus 90 equals 10 n force. Find net force on the object shown in the figure and answer if the forces are balanced or unbalanced. Since net force on the body is not zero, therefore forces are unbalanced forces.